Hello, this is the Ipoh Marble that need polishing. Okay, we'll see each other again when the floor have been finished polish. Jumpa lagi. Now what we are doing is recrystallization powder polishing. After 500 grit, the floor will be polished with recrystallization powder, the yellow color powder in the container. Have to go through several passes to make sure the floor is properly polished with the recrystallization powder. Okay, this is the part where I buff the floor with Mr. Master Marble and Terrazzo wax formulation. When the result is finished, it's like this. Alright, so the polish, the Ipoh marble have been polished. You can see the reflection. This is Ipoh marble. This is the Ipoh marble that have been polished to completion. You can see the light reflection coming from the outside. Marble have been polished. You can see the light reflection. Ipoh marble is very beautiful. Alright. See you again in the next polish.